On?
Battery's red.
Battery's dead?
It's red.
1, 2, 1.
That's it. I hope you like it. Okay. Now we go back to the bus and then
Open my eyes.
Get the battle cry.
Film it.
I can't see the river.
next, everybody. Feel it, buddy.
Yeah.
See it on film?
Yeah, you're good.
There you go.
How can you touch him? Yeah. How?
Way that these drugs, the ones in Costa Rica, can affect you is that if the poison get into your blood or into your system. The ones that are living in Costa Rica, I know that the ones that live in Colombia can kill more than 100 persons.
Entire time. Is the light red?
Yes.
It is.
Red means record. There we go.
Roller coaster.
Chris and Carly.
You're floating right there, Stan.
It was good knowing them.
It's very good mango.
I read in the book one time that this is actually a crocodile breeding ground.
Oh, good to know. Have you seen the crocodiles here?
Yeah, what they do is they climb up in the very top of the tree to lay their nest,
Those are called iguanas.
and then they pretend they're a branch. They hang on by their tail and leave their mouth open, and when a bird flies by, they close it. Hope he goes home and tells his grandma.
Here's in Costa Rica.
They live in trees. That's where they lay their eggs. Wonder if we could even grow mango. Or maybe with a greenhouse, but I don't know about the conditions. Can we grow mangoes in St. George? Could you greenhouse it? It'd be a big ass greenhouse, but.
I mean, my friend's got a mango tree in his backyard.
Alright. I want mango. Mahalo.
You two are not.
You two suck. I'm too busy shouting when we should row to hear. What's that?
Captain, the rogue wave approaches. The rogue waves are like 100 feet tall.
Well, it's not the size. I don't want to explain it right now.
Why is it?
Don't worry, I got it on video. Oh! Used to call me White Drake.
Yeah, I don't think they did that.
Who's they?
Hey, family picture.
What do you think the baby's doing?
Probably.
Under bed, please.
I didn't really want to get wet.
You're going to river rafting?
Mine was in my bag.
I think he wants you to fall out. That's what you have to say? It seems to be raining.
There you go, Dad.
What? You're right. What are you talking about? He told you a while ago. There's no left or right, only forward back stop.
Go slow.
Same pace every time. One,
I think
2. I'm scared.
jungle.
Los Aguirres. There's some good fish right here.
What's that?
Underneath coverage and against. They look for structure. There's some good fish right here.
Huh?
Probably a big old bass right in that corner where that tree
Yeah,
branch
but if
is.
you try fishing here, you're either your line's gonna go way out or it's gonna get around.
No, you just dangle it.
Yeah.
And if you hook it up correctly, then you don't snag anything because the worm is.
I said you're still recording.
Thanks, guys. we went a little too fast. Someone's limping. Up there? I think someone got banged up.
When the water keep pushing the wall, it makes a cave. And the water goes in, most of the time doesn't go out. They were under the water for more than 5 seconds.
Wow.
Glad that they did came out. Sometimes It can happen.
Okay, so rule you saw that the word was fixed. Big old fish back there. How the water comes through, slows down, that's a big one too.